Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And I saw this on the Pampered Stamper 5x5 quilt cards, and she shared that it's 2 squares of DSP, 1 square of cardstock, and then a square in the middle, and then a square that you emboss. And I did some stamp math and was able to make it into an A2 card. So 5.5 by 4.25, and this one these I made vertical open. So instead the squares were 3 inches, and we'll go through it with the tutorial. And then I used the Mixed Up Patterns DSP from the January to April 2026 mini catalog. So I made these also. So let's get started. Card base 4.25 by 11, scored at 5.5. 2 pieces of DSP measuring 3 by 3 and scored diagonally. 1 piece of cardstock measuring 3 by 3, and also a piece of cardstock measuring 1 inch. The stylish shape, 3rd largest square, basically a little close to 2 inches, and then the basic white to emboss that's measuring 4 by 4. So you can pause right now to get the measurements. Let me get these out of the way. Let's go ahead and fold along the score line. Get that ready, set aside. Let's go ahead and emboss this piece. And with the magic of television, I used the Gathering Leaves DSP here. So first, let's go ahead and fold along the diagonal lines on the DSP. Here's one, here's another, and you can decide how you want them. This way, you can flip them over, and then try to have the more muted tones instead, and have the bold ones show up. It's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and do it this way. Let me grab my silicone. So first things first, let's put some adhesive, T for top, to remind myself, and we can just line it up and put some adhesive along the seam and along there, then line it up, and it just carries over just a little bit. And this, we'll go ahead, it's my clockwise direction, center it here, and then a little adhesive on the square, center that here, fold it over gently. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're covering that middle part. And go ahead and burnish that. Oh, I forgot the cardstock. Let's see if I can still save it. Yes. So I'm supposed to adhere it here first. Then to, oops. To the emboss piece. There. Crisis averted. And then for the square here, I'm going to go ahead and put a dimensional here, back to the top, and that is it. Let me bring back the other ones here to let you see the difference. Do you like the circle or the square center? Thanks for letting me share this with you. Be sure to like, comment, and share with other crafters that might be interested in these video tutorials. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.